There we go. So tell me, how did you find us and what did you start doing already? And then I'll help you get started.
I found you through AppSumo.
Okay.
And yes, and I bought this today, so I haven't started yet.
Okay.
I mean, I logged in. Yes, but I had a little problem because I was not ready to start working right away. And I clicked something like I clicked on a company. No, yeah, yes, I believe on company because I thought that maybe uh, I bought tier 3. So I have different brands, and I thought that maybe if I choose different companies, that I can do something with it. But somehow my problem was that at this moment my website is down, so there's nothing that I can put into this, um, you know, into this questionnaire, and it just doesn't allow me to go anywhere else until I do that.
Yeah. Okay.
So what can I
So
do? That's my first problem. Yeah.
easy to solve.
Uh-huh.
Um, so you can, the way Gnome works is that it learns from your company and basically the answers are based on what the company is doing. So
Yeah.
if it doesn't pull it automatically, you can put it in manually. So share your screen, show me where you are, and I'll just walk you through solving that.
Aha, that's a problem. I just came from work. I don't think that I can do this on my computer right now. So if you can tell me what I could do,
Yes.
uh,
So let me
yes,
see. Let me
or
open.
maybe show if you can share maybe yours.
Yes, I will share my screen.
Mm-hmm.
Give me a second. Okay. So when you log into Gnome, I already have like you a bunch of companies and a bunch of
Of
projects,
course, yes.
right?
Uh-huh.
So when you come to my company and you start a new one,
Yes.
usually you will put the domain here and it will just fill it up, right?
Yes, but if you don't have a domain, what do you do then?
You can
Because
put yeah.
somehow I can see that on your screen there is this little sign that you can actually close this screen, but it was not there on my screen.
This
Is
one?
this? Yes, I couldn't find this one. So is is it possible that it's my
Well,
browser or something?
yeah, that's probably because I have at least one company,
Aha, yes.
right? So you need at least one in order for it to work. So what's okay about this is that you don't have to put a domain. You can just put, like example, right?
Okay, good. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah,
Right.
this saves the day. Yeah,
But you can
yeah.
also just put your domain. I'm assuming you have even if the site is down,
Yes, I do have the domain. Yes,
put
yeah.
the domain, even if though the site is down, and you can fill up here all the information that you need by yourself,
Okay, okay. So it
right?
doesn't depend on what is currently there.
Right, right. So this is kind of
Okay,
like it
good.
will go out and it will look for things, right? So this is super helpful. For example, when, let's choose one, when I go to
Mm-hmm.
knowledge files and I
Uh-huh.
want to create from a URL, like train the bot from something that I already have,
Yes,
this is super helpful here that you have
yes,
a
yes,
website
of
with all the
course.
information. Now,
Mm-hmm.
another thing that's really cool here is actually, before I go there, tell me a little bit about your business. Tell me what you're trying to do, and then maybe I can be more specific.
Yes. Can I have just one first question before
Yeah,
that?
go ahead. Yeah.
Like when I start, what is the first thing that I should do? Is it project? Is it company? Or does it
Company.
matter?
Company.
Company.
Without a
So
company,
that
you
was
can
all
start.
right. Okay. Yes, yes. Okay. So what I want to do, I have different brands. I have a brand for a design, for the templates and so on. Then I have a meditation brand. I mean, I have different, it all connects somehow, but I have different websites for this. And
Okay.
I would also different branding. So
Okay.
I could probably treat these like different companies.
Yes, but tell
What
me
I
again,
think. Yes.
what's the end goal? And then we can figure out how to get there. What's the
Aha.
end goal?
The end goal is that I automate as much as I can, like content creation, marketing. I do videos, I do social media, that I connect. Well, the idea was, that's why I bought Noem, because it felt that it can offer this, that I have these different like agents. I'm really interested in agents, not so much in bots. I don't think, I mean, I have some other programs for the bot. I can also do it with this, but I'm really interested in agents and in connected agents with each other, which, as I understand, this is what Noem does. Yeah.
Yeah,
So
so again, what will the agents do for you? What are you envisioning? Why did you buy the third tier?
I imagine that they would take a great deal of work from me, that I can somehow ask them what they do regularly, and create, I don't know, social posts regularly, and that I would put what, of course, my brand, and of course what this is about, and so on, and that then I can somehow, not completely, but rely on this, that this will be done periodically, and that I don't need to be there all the time. Does this make sense?
So mostly what you're looking for from Gnome is the automation of content creation.
Automation. Yes, yes.
Of content creation.
Yes, for now,
And
yes. That's why I bought it, yeah.
got it. And you don't need your face, like you don't need yourself talking on a video. It's okay to have, AI generated images and stuff like that? Or do you need are you building personal brand, or are you building just a brand?
It's both, basically. So basically, I would say, I do courses. I do coaching, I do courses, so I do need some presence, some personal presence, but there's a lot of things that I can do without this, or maybe
Okay.
even with an AI clone of me. What I also do is a lot of visual work. Well, and I want to do courses now I have this geometry course. I don't know if this matters right now, but I do courses. Yeah, I do education, I do meditation, I do courses.
So for the courses, the chatbots will really help you because
Yeah.
they can sell the course and they can
This is for
help.
selling, yes.
Yeah, they can sell the course. You can have a general chatbot on your website that tells them which course is right for them, and then send them
Yeah.
to the course based on what it is that they need. So you can find out like what are you struggling most with, and then sell them the meditation or sell them something else. So the chatbot will be super helpful.
Yes.
Also, as a virtual coach, it can be very helpful and
Yes.
do stuff for
That's
you, right?
what I would like to do. Yes. Yeah.
So you can upload the transcripts for of your lessons to the chatbot, and you can say like you can have you seen how the chatbots work a little bit?
Yes, a little bit I have. Yeah, but you can, if you want to.
Sorry, I'm recovering from my kid was sick over the weekend, and
Oh, gee, yeah.
you have kids, you become sick.
Yeah. What can you do? I'm so sorry to see. Yeah.
Thank
You
you.
can't avoid it. Yeah.
So in here, after you upload your transcripts, right? You can just click on
Yes.
it, and it can be a PDF or a text file. You can come into the design, and you can say sample prompt. These are conversation starters, for example.
Yes.
You can say, how do I apply, give me a framework. Let's say Metcalfe's meditation
Meditation. Yeah.
for my own sleep disorder, whatever you're teaching, right? And then you save. This one obviously doesn't have anything, right? But
Mm-hmm.
what will happen is this will become the virtual coach for you, because now they're taking your information and applying it to their life,
Exactly. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
right? And so
Yeah.
now it's not generic, now it's like personal advice, and now it's like, okay, the bot is going to ask them, what do you struggle? What are you doing? How are you doing? Right? And gives them like their own little customized plan that
Mm-hmm.
can actually follow up with them.
Yes.
And you
Yeah,
can create,
that's very helpful. Yeah.
yeah. So you have in the projects, when you start a new chatbot,
Yes.
choose the company, whatever, um,
Mm-hmm.
you can have a virtual coach.
Mm-hmm.
And the virtual coach
So how
basically,
would I start with this? If you could maybe make a little demonstration with.
yeah, so you'll
Yeah,
choose
just. Mm-hmm.
virtual coach, right?
Mm-hmm.
And what it does, it gives you a template already here.
Okay, that's very helpful. Yes.
And all you have to do is edit. It's like the same way that you're editing a Google Doc. You'll just
Oh,
edit.
that's very good. Yeah.
That's it. All you have to do is edit the yellow parts.
Oh, great. Uh-huh.
That's it. Like your name,
Oh,
name. That's it.
perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Uh,
Perfect.
then you can also tell it like, okay, when you don't, like you stay strictly on topic,
Mm-hmm.
and you can send the instruction. If you don't know what the answer is, don't make it up. Email me.
Mm-hmm.
And right here, you're just going to put your email.
Oh, yeah.
And it's going to start emailing you like every time someone is struggling with something that it can't figure out, it'll just, it'll be a way for you to um,
Okay, that's new.
follow up with
That's
them.
great. Yes. So I
Yeah.
can fill it in. And
Yes.
then it remembers
Yes.
for the next time. Okay. So
Exactly.
it adds the knowledge to the knowledge base.
The knowledge is here. That's what you
Yeah.
mean?
No, I mean, if it doesn't know something and then I fill it in, will it remember it for
Oh,
the
yeah,
next
yeah,
time?
yeah, yeah. Right. So
Yeah,
when you
yeah,
get the
yeah. So
email, you
memory,
just,
yeah. Mm,
yeah,
yeah.
you come to the instructions and you say, hey, if someone says blah, now say blah, right?
Yeah. Okay. Ooh, that's
Uh,
perfect. I like this. Yeah. That's
Another
great.
really cool thing is right here in the chat thread, you can
Yes.
have voice.
Yes.
So you can have it actually talk
Mm-hmm.
to them. So let me change the stuff so you can actually hear it. Um, so you can choose enable voice mode and select a voice you have
Mm-hmm.
once.
In the kitchen, the aroma of freshly
Let's say
baked
that
bread
one.
fills.
And so now when you save
Mm-hmm.
it, you can talk to it like, what products do you have?
Oh, wonderful. So is this something that they choose whether they want
Yeah.
to talk? Yeah, good.
There's a little
Good.
microphone right here and they choose
Yes.
whether or not, right? They
Oh,
can talk
great.
or not.
Oh, that's more than I thought. Yes. That's
Nice.
perfect. That's really nice. Now,
You can
yes.
you can turn it into lead capture, so you can require
Uh-huh.
it to provide the name and email
Mm-hmm.
before it even starts answering. So it's going to ask them that. I always like clearing the thread history. Instead, they want to start from scratch.
Mm-hmm.
This one gives them multiple choice. So like, let's say you want to offer like, hey, meditation for sleep, blah, blah, blah. It automatically knows to
Uh-huh.
turn it multiple choice. So you don't have to create
Great.
and everything.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
So I'll save that. Another thing that you have here. So if you wanted to create stuff for them, like
Yes.
if you have a client and you go like, okay, I want you to create an image of their, I don't know, guardian angel, whatever, right?
Yeah, let's say. Yeah, okay.
You can come in
Uh-huh.
here and click this, and now it will generate images for them. Or it will, create, manipulate the images. Every time
Uh-huh.
you use one of these, that takes more tokens from you. So I would use it for my paying clients, for
Uh-huh.
example,
Yes.
if you wanted to, right? But you can sell chatbots that do things inside your course, right? So
Yes.
when you come to my course, you also get my special clone that's not going to help you only with this, but will also create PDFs for you.
Exactly. Yeah.
For
Good. Mm-hmm.
you can deploy the chatbot on our own hosting, like we will host it for you. So you
Mm-hmm.
don't need a website. If you wanted them to have a chatbot,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
you can just click on here, choose a template,
Mm-hmm.
give it a name, like a page for the name. So like
Mm-hmm.
whatever you want to call it,
Mm-hmm.
publish. And now you can send them directly here You have a QR code. When they scan it, they come to their bot, and now you have your own bot without having to build your website. So you can already send them courses and send them whatever you want.
So basically, I could even hide this behind a paywall that they
Yeah.
have to pay to access this.
Exactly.
But this is not built in. This I do as I do it with my other, probably. So
Say it again?
building a paywall so that before they come to this page, they have to pay for this.
You can build as many as you want. You can build one that's open and sends them to the paid one, and then they see the paid one on the paid thing. You have unlimited projects, so you can build as many as you want.
Okay. Is there a possibility that they would have like 3 questions and then they have to pay? Probably not.
You want to limit the amount of questions? Well, you can build a light version, like don't put all
okay, a light version. Okay, that's a solution. Yes, I get it. Good.
Yeah, so everything is right here from the knowledge base, right?
Yes.
So whatever you give it in the knowledge base, you can give it only like the introduction to your course, right? For example.
Yes.
And then you can be like, and if you want more, you know.
Yes, and then it's the course, and and it's all together. Oh, yeah. Great. So I have one question about the knowledge. So is this just the knowledge that I put inside, or is there a possibility for something else that it draws the knowledge from the internet as well?
Yeah, so you can add a source here, and you can do an internet search, and you can put whatever URL you want, and every day or every hour, it will go up and search the internet for that and train the bot based on it.
Train the bot on this.
Yeah.
Good. And basically this runs on OpenAI or something else?
So it runs on OpenAI.
Yeah.
But also here, in the API calling, you can call Claude if you want, and you can have reasoning models, and you can fetch web from the internet. This will use Perplexity. But make sure that you use it in the instruction. Like if you want to go find something in the instructions here, you'll be like, go fetch whatever, right? Search for this in the internet.
Okay, very good. So API is for Claude. Is it for OpenAI as well? Can I use my own API?
You don't need to. We are paying for the enterprise plan of OpenAI, and when you use noem, you get the access to the enterprise plan. You don't have to pay for.
I don't have. Okay,
yeah,
good.
You don't have to connect it to yours. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, good. I didn't want to interrupt you, so I just had these questions. Well, surprise me because you already have, but these are good surprises.
So the most important thing, right? It's kind of like if you get an employee, if you hire an employee right now, you need to tell the employee what it is that you want it to do, right? And so you need to know how do you measure whether the employee is doing well or not? You need to know what it needs to do, and then you need to tell it like this is the job description, right? And then you can see how it applies the job description. So the same thing with the bots, right? Like you'll build it, then you put it on your website, then you send traffic to it, and then you see how it responds, and then you fix it on the fly.
Yes.
So we had one of our clients, they're getting about 5,500 conversations every day, a lot.
Wow. Yeah.
And there's no way that we could have guessed what people are going to ask, right?
Yes.
So we build a bot as best as we could, then we put it on the website, and now as conversations come in, we find out so many things. We found out Shopify was broken. We found out clients want specific products. Now they're developing products based on the conversation that are coming from the users. So it's rapid innovation, but most people, the biggest mistake is they try to get it perfect before they release it.
Yeah, I get it. Yeah.
So just build it as best as you can, release it, learn what happens, and then just, fix it on the fly.
So I can fix it on the back end. I don't need to do another version. I just fix it and it's, is it possible to embed it somewhere? I mean, this is on my, yes, okay, on website.
Yeah.
What other possibilities are there?
So in the deploy,
Yeah, deploy. Okay.
the domain, so that way you're protected. Nobody else can use your bot.
Yeah.
You can put it on your website by just copying the JavaScript.
Mm-hmm.
That will work on any HTML website. If you have WordPress, we have a plugin.
Uh-huh. Well,
If you have
wonderful.
Wix, we have the instructions here. If you have
Mm-hmm.
Squarespace,
Oh,
you can
that's
connect it
great.
to
That's for,
Shopify. If you have
wow.
a Shopify store, you can connect it to SMS.
So, mhm.
Go ahead.
So basically everywhere where I can put, or where they have the possibility to put code.
Mhm.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
great. That's great.
Yeah.
And the width of the bot, is it always like on the right side and like the small width, or is it possible, like you showed
Yeah.
me before on your side, that it's like,
So it's always, yeah, we don't have location. It's always on the top bottom right.
yes.
You can choose whichever one of these you want to change, for example.
Mm-hmm.
You can upload your own if you wanted a custom
Uh-huh.
one. This
Okay.
one, you can upload your own
Yes.
avatar. You can use AI to do
Yeah.
it. You can use our own thing.
Mm-hmm.
This one is pretty cool because here you can put a video. Like if you
Uh-huh.
wanted it to start with like, hey, how you doing? This is me. This is what you can ask me.
Yeah.
You can do
Yes.
that.
Uh-huh.
You can auto pop-up. We highly recommend you keep that active after 3 seconds because it pops up and then you get engagement. Otherwise, people don't know to click because they think it's
Uh-huh.
just a Q&A and then they don't do anything.
Yes. Okay. Mm-hmm.
You have sample prompts for desktop and you have them for mobile. So if you wanted 4 here and 2 here, you can do that.
Mm-hmm.
In the sample prompts, was it this one? Here. You can hear on the auto pop-up, you can make it pop up after 3 seconds on desktop and mobile, or only on desktop, only on mobile.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Like if you didn't want it to pop up on mobile because it's big, you can be like only on desktop pop up and mobile, they click on it.
Mm-hmm.
We find that it's fine to keep it on all devices.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. It's really super simple.
Super versatile. Yeah. Okay. Before you said something about the video. So
Right
what
here.
was,
So let's say I want to put my testimonial videos, for example,
yes.
right? So everybody that comes to my website
They're out there.
sees my testimonials.
Mm-hmm.
So I can grab, let's see what it's like working with Ifat. Doesn't matter. Let's choose this one.
Yeah, it's just
So let's just say I want to put this video.
Yeah.
So before they start, they see my stuff. So I'm just going to put the URL here,
Yes.
save. And so now when the chatbot pops up, they'll see a video
Okay, within the chatbot. Okay.
within the chatbot,
Mm-hmm.
right? So I can
Mm-hmm.
put like, hey, want results like this.
So it's not something that stays there or is there in the beginning, but you do it somewhere, or is it at the
So
top of the bot?
every time someone is going to open up the bot, it's going to be like there.
Okay, it's okay. Mm-hmm. Good.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
Very good.
And so they can watch it, or they can start with this, or they can start typing, or they can start talking.
Mm-hmm. Oh, that's very nice.
Now you can build this same bot, and it can be on your website like this, as well
Yes.
as hosted on our own, as well as WhatsApp, as well as like you can have different ways of people accessing that same chatbot.
That same chatbot, yes.
Yeah.
And when I do when I change something on the backend, the change will be visible on all of them.
Exactly.
Exactly. Okay. Good. Very good. Yeah.
Yeah, we keep it
Nice.
super simple, but it's like very,
Yeah.
very powerful.
Yeah.
I put it one on my own website, for example.
Yes.
Just embedded the thing, and I tested it, and
Yes.
without telling it, I was like, "Do you work with network marketing?" Which I don't. And it
Yeah.
said, no, IFAD doesn't do that. And I was like, how cool is that, right? Like instead of me answering the same question all the time.
Yes, that's very,
Okay.
very, and I like this. So you were able to do this embedded in the middle, not as a pop-up.
Yeah, so this
This is
is on
also
on
possible.
WordPress. This is just taking the code,
Uh-huh.
right? The code and just putting it on my own WordPress.
And just put it, yes, okay.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. It's
Yeah.
also very nice, looks very nice.
Thank you.
Yeah, beautiful.
Yeah, it's really cool. So I don't know, are you running ads? Like how are you driving traffic to your business?
Yeah, well, from social media, from emails, and then through lead gen. And so can this help me with lead gen as well? Creating different.
No, it doesn't interact for you on social media.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, but it can help me build some assets.
Yeah.
To
And
put
in the
as
future, in the future we're gonna, so right now it's all inbound. Someone comes to your website, they see the chatbot, they start talking, right? They come to your WhatsApp, they see chatbot, they start talking. We are building on the roadmap so that you can take a list of emails or phone numbers and it will reach out to them and start a conversation. So that's gonna be
will be very, very nice as well. Yeah. Then the other question is, but it's probably more for the agents. Also, when they create something, I can only download it, or can I do something else with it? I mean,
So-
download it and then do whatever I do with it, or like the assets, let's say a PowerPoint or a slides or pictures or videos or whatever.
So the PowerPoint, it will generate PowerPoints for you. You download it and you edit. So you need to think about Noem not as the final draft. It's the first draft because it's easier to critique than to create. You
Yeah,
can,
of course.
right? You can sit there and create a bunch of PowerPoint like from scratch, or you can get the whole thing and just tweak it.
Yes, yes.
But the same thing with blog posts, for example. Let me show you.
Yeah.
You will get, depending on how you set it up, you can get one every day or every week. And you will get blog like this. So you'll get the blog. You'll have the meta tags. You'll have the hero image you can use or not. And you'll get this. So it goes out to the web and it looks for information based on your niche, your company. This is why the company is important, right? Because it knows like, okay.
Yeah.
And it will look for conversations around that. It will link to them. It will create the entire blog post with bullet points and everything, right? And kind of linking to other stuff. And then at the end, it will connect it back to your company. Like, hey, buy our stuff before you wrap up. Consider, so again, this is kind of like a first draft, right?
Yes.
So if you were to hire someone, they would have to go out. They will look for all their references in Perplexity or whatever. They'll come in, they'll create stuff, and then they'll send it to you. And then you'll look at it and then you'll fix it. So this gives that entire step, right? It gives you the entire thing. And you see it kind of links it back to your website, visit our website or whatever, gives you the references. So you get this, you tweak it to yourself, make it a little bit more human, and then you schedule and post. So go ahead.
Yeah. So you do this, you downloaded it and then you edit it, or is it possible to edit it within? No.
No. You get an email with the content and then you.
Okay. It also doesn't push it to WordPress. Like, because some programs push it to as a draft and then you can edit there. Okay. So
I suggested that we might make it happen. I need to bring that up again because that'd be cool. Yeah,
that would be really cool. And another thing is like, okay, I can do this manually, but would it be maybe possible that the draft is pushed? I use Airtable a lot, and then I edit in Airtable, and I have a system that I can push, automate Airtable so it pushes it to WordPress and to other things. So this would be maybe, for me, it would be a perfect step that I don't have everything just here on the computer, but that it goes directly as a draft to Airtable. I then edit it, and then the system pushes it.
So
That's not possible at this moment.
You could
if
do
I get
it.
correctly. I could?
You could do it if you're a little bit of a programmer, which I'm not.
A little, whatever that means. No code programmer. That's not a programmer.
So right here, like add an API. So if Airtable has an API,
yes, it does.
Yeah, so you could add their API here, and then it would do it.
Okay. Okay. Oh, that's so great. Thank you. Thank you. I know they have an API. Yes. So I just, where was this? APR was, where was it?
This was in instructions, API
instructions. Just add and then wonderful.
Yeah, right here.
Yeah, I'm so glad I asked you. Thank you.
Me too.
Yeah, really. That's really great. Wonderful. That solves my, yeah, that's what I want. Great.
Yeah, so usually we create, the integration kind of like we create the API in the Shopify and then you just click on it. But then this one, it's the same thing, right? You just need to do some code.
Yeah. Okay, so they give me the code. I don't need to know something special, or do I need to? Yeah, probably I do.
Not a programmer, but I think not. I think you just, they give you this endpoint, right? You put that here, you put the description.
They have, the API key. That's that probably, or the endpoint. Yes, I will. Okay, I will. Yeah, I think I know who I can ask, so I think it's doable. That's really, really neat. Very good.
Yeah. That's it?
Yeah, that's it about this. So maybe can you talk, is there something else with the bot, or maybe can you tell me about the agents?
So I use the bots the most. The agents will be very similar, kind of like the way the blog post is working, where it emails you a blog post and you fix, critique it and then post it. The agent will be the same with the social media. You can set it up so it can send you 3 different social media assets, and then you choose whichever one. And we'll also post it for you, like we'll schedule it for you. So if you remember here, we have social media posts. So it will post it. I think it is here.
Yeah, now that's another question, because what I saw today, I was positive that this was included in this third tier, but when I went into noem, there was a red cross, like it was not. I don't know how could I, because this is the highest tier, isn't it?
Yeah, the third tier is the highest. Yeah.
So this should be included, or is there something else that I should do?
What?
Like the posting, the social media posting, not just creating.
I think it's included.
Yes, and if it's not, then probably I could write to someone why.
Yeah. If it's not, email me. Just email me, and I'll.
Okay, I will. Yeah. Okay.
But if you connect it to Airtable and Airtable is posting for you, then
this is another possibility. Yeah, that solves it as well.
Yeah.
If there's it's just, but when if it's included, it's probably better, because then it's direct, right?
Yeah.
Because social media probably you approve it or you don't approve it. I don't think that there's so much to correct, probably.
Well, it depends on how you like the graphics and what comes out. That's why I was asking.
That's one of the questions. So okay, you're with agents. Okay, we can do the agents, or maybe I'll just ask, because you have the possibility to choose the style of the picture.
Yeah.
So is it possible does Noem create just, I mean, there are a lot, but if I would want to have something special, is it possible for me to do it in the prompt?
What do
Like,
you
I
mean
don't
by
know,
special?
I don't know, just as an example, I don't see the, what is this, or how is this called? Oh, these colors, let's say let's say this. I didn't think this one, but let's say psychedelic. Something that it's not in here. If I write this into prompt, will this?
Choose the freestyle and then put it in the prompt.
Aha, the freestyle and in the prompt. Very good.
Yeah.
Freestyle. Freestyle is the first one. Okay.
Yes.
Good. Very good.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. What I would do, Metka, honestly, is just play with it.
Of course. Yeah.
Like, because as you play with it, you're going to be like, oh, this is where I'm stuck, right? Oh, no. So play with it.
And then the questions come. Yeah.
And then just email me. Yeah, just email me like, look, I'm trying to do this. If you can send me a video with like kind of like the flow, what you're doing, where you get stuck.
It's perfect. Thank you.
And that's it, really. We're here to our goal is really to support, like remove, like let the robots do what the robots do, so the humans can do what humans do, right? The creativity, the social.
That's the point.
Yeah.
That is the point. Yeah.
Yeah. So
yeah,
just play with it. You have unlimited time. I love the chatbots. I think they're amazing.
So is there some?
Go ahead.
Yeah, is there something special that why do you love them so much? I mean,
because there's no, okay, so two things. One, appointment setters, right? Like you need to, when people come to your website, there's so much information there that they never read, right? And they have the same question over and over again. How does this apply to me? Right? So if I have my little chatbot go like, this is how it applies to you, and then it captures the email and stuff, and it only sends me the people that I can serve, how much time is it saving me? Right? I don't have to hire anyone. I don't have to be like, remember we said.
Yes. So it's for the information, the repeatable information.
And also for conversion, right? Because people go like, oh, this
That's what I wanted to ask. Yeah.
Yeah. Because if you come in and you're like, oh, if you were to interact with our Cree, for example, our chatbot, and be like, how do I use Noem for my own thing? It will ask you all these questions that I'm asking you, right? And it will make you think, and it will make you figure out, and then it will help you figure out how to use it for yourself, right? And if you still got stuck, then it'll be like, no problem, book a time on our calendar and we can talk. But all the previous conversation, it will answer already automatically. And since you're in Europe, you might have questions when we are asleep.
Yeah.
Right? You still have support, or you speak.
Yeah, that is one of the main problems. Yeah, that there's so much time for these initial conversations that very often don't lead anywhere because they're just, sometimes it's just curiosity, but there's so many, and that's really
And then
very,
what
very
language
helpful.
do you speak?
In my country, I speak Slovene. Otherwise, I will do it in English, and then later on maybe in German, because I speak German as well. Yeah.
So if you have German clients coming in, it can answer in German, right? And now they're having a conversation in their own language.
So is it possible, is this somewhere that I create, or I don't know, a chatbot that speaks both, or is it,
it already
can
does.
they choose?
It already does. It already does.
So they can choose if they come, does it recognize immediately the language on the website or something?
Yeah, it's based on the browser settings. So
on the browser settings.
Yeah.
Oh, that's perfect.
But they can also kind of like change it. So like, for example, if I come and let's just say here, I'm going to start with like in Spanish because I can speak Spanish.
Oh, great.
¿Quién es Ifat? It will ask. It will
And
answer
then
it
it just immediately answer it.
in
Wonderful.
Spanish. If
That's
I
really great.
to Hebrew, it'll answer in Hebrew.
Oh, that's amazing. So basically, it translates your knowledge base.
And it's pretty good Hebrew because I can read it.
Wonderful,
So
wonderful.
it's fantastic, and I think it
So-
will speak in the same
Yeah.
language. Yeah.
Yeah. So this is the bot, but the agent or whatever, I could also probably use it as a translator.
What do you mean?
I mean, if I have text, not in a chatbot for people, but normally, like I've written some things, let's say books or whatever, or ebooks or something. Can I translate? Can an agent translate them for me? Of course, the first draft again. I need to go through.
I don't think that's the best use of it.
What
If
would you suggest?
So you could upload the files in your language and then it will read it and respond in English, if that's what you mean.
No, that's not really. I understood that that's what it does. Yeah. Like the chatbot, right?
So just use ChatGPT and put your context and translate it to English. It's
Just
default-
yeah. It's yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, I don't need to. Yeah, I get it. Yeah,
Complicate
it's
things,
not
yeah.
the best use of noem. So what would be besides the chatbot be the best use of noem?
We're really focusing on the chatbot in order to reduce the support and increase the ROI, sales and client acquisition.
Yes.
The SEO blog works amazingly well. Like you saw, you can first draft once a day, once a week, and now you don't have to worry about
Yes.
that. That's what I use it the most in most of our thing. You can also generate videos with it, faceless videos, and build faceless channels.
Yes.
It's decent. But again, all that stuff really depends on your end goal, right? Because there's so many ways, like, what do I want to achieve?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, of course. Of
So
course.
if you build a chatbot that helps you sell more courses, awesome, right?
Yes.
Now you make more money.
Yeah.
And it's easy, and you can
Yeah, that's perfect.
Yeah. And then you can take the same one and put a smart one behind the wall, right? A paid wall, and remove yourself from
That's
no content
great.
support. Yeah. So free up your time. I would use it to free up
Yes,
your
that's
time, right? And get more clients in.
So this is when a client comes to the website. Oh, this is perfect. So is it useful for like customer support as well
Yeah.
during the course?
Yeah.
Let's say.
Yeah.
As well.
Yeah.
Okay, that's also perfect because this is also something that takes a lot of time. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
So
Yeah.
You mentioned before that this is their first contact, and then they schedule, let's say, a meeting with you or whatever. Yeah. So how does this scheduling? Is there some automation for scheduling, or do they just come to another website where you have your hours or whatever? Or how is like this workshop? How was this automated? Let's say
With Calendly, right?
with Calendly. Just to Calendly, yeah.
Yeah. So it will just share a link to like, hey, do you want the link to book? And then you book. That's it.
Yeah.
Simple.
And that's also already professional and really, meant for this.
I can show you one that we built for a dermatologist.
Oh, good.
Let's see. So this one I built it as a demo from her website. So I didn't do anything. I just let me see.
You just
I just pulled her website, put her website in, and that's it. Didn't train it on anything, didn't do anything. Let's see. So I just took her website, put it here, called her name. I'm here to help you look and feel the best version of yourself. Ask me anything about or pick up a conversation below to get started. right? And these
It's
are the things.
beautiful.
Thank you.
I mean, this is also the design element. How did you get this transparency? And is this also everything possible in?
This is part of the templates on Gnome.
So there are templates, different templates. It's not
Yeah.
just this one that we see normally. Okay, this one is
Yeah.
really beautiful. I like this
Thank
one
you.
very much. Yeah.
So
And
you
it's
can
water.
go.
Yeah.
Yeah. So she has, her website is Alchemy Beauty.
Mhm.
Yeah. Let's see. So this is her website. So on her website, all I did is take the website, put it in the
Yeah.
company, and that's it.
Yeah.
And I'll show you. So she
So-
doesn't have, you know, she has like a little chatbot that says, we'll get back to you as soon as we can. That's
Yeah.
she has.
Yeah. 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 That's yeah.
Why?
Yeah.
So,
Right. Yeah.
so
That's
she's losing a lot of
of
visitors,
course
right?
a lot of visitors. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
And on her website, she has like financing, and she has like different skincare and a membership
Mhm.
thing.
Mhm.
So I was like, okay, so what do I want the user to do, right? They want to find out what
Mhm.
treatment is right for them.
Mhm.
They want to find out how to pay. Can I treat now and pay later?
Mhm.
Talk about the membership. And
Mhm.
then she sells skincare products. What's
Mhm.
funny with the skincare products that she's selling, she is not, she doesn't have her own thing, so she's sending to other companies,
Mhm.
and she doesn't use it as an affiliate. So she's not making any money from driving traffic to them.
Oh,
Yeah, I know, right?
yeah.
Um,
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
so I'm like, okay, so let's say what treatment is right for me, right?
Yeah.
So thanks for reaching out. To best recommend this. See, it's an appointment setter.
Mhm.
It's going like, what do you want to
That's
do?
mhm. That's great. That's really
Right?
great.
Which right here, it's like, I don't know, you come to this website. I
Uh-huh.
don't know what,
Yeah.
what am I doing?
No, you just lost nothing. Yeah. You don't know what to do. That's
Right?
true.
So let's say I want to reduce wrinkles or fine lines.
Uh-huh.
Great. So are you looking? So it keeps asking like an appointment setter, right?
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
You want to do something non-invasive? Are you open to injectables? Any preferences on treatments, Botox, micro, any important skin sensitivities?
Mhm.
And I'll show you the back end for a second because you'll be
Mhm.
shocked. I was shocked that I didn't do anything in the instructions. This is the template. I didn't,
This is just nothing was changed.
nothing. I just put the
That's amazing. That's
I just
amazing.
put the URL, see, from her website,
That is
learn
amazing.
from it,
Yeah.
and that's it.
That's
what
really
it
great.
is. And then
Yeah.
I just changed just gave it a face and whatever, right, to kind of fit her website, but that's it. From the hosting, these are the templates, right? So we have different templates.
Mm-hmm.
You can choose and we add all stuff all the
This one is really, really beautiful.
So if we go back to her thing, right, and let's just say non-invasive.
This is really beautiful. And the templates are as they are, right? Because this is on your site. And I mean, can you change? They are beautiful. Not that I want to, but the question, can you change the background?
So this is hard coded. So we are working on allowing you to upload your own image, but the videos, we have to set up the videos ourselves. But you can see that you have your own social
No,
media
this is really
stuff,
beautiful.
stuff.
It's really, really beautiful. No, it's not the,
Thank you.
Oh, really nice. No, I'm really glad I took the action.
Anyway, so what I would do when I was like in her Instagram, for example, right? Instead of sending people to a website, I would send it to chatbot, right? And just help it close it. And I'd be like, okay, let me just stop this. So there you
That's
go.
a very
And
good
just tell me what
idea.
to do.
Yeah. That's
So
a
now
very
she goes
good
like,
idea.
do you want to book a complimentary consultation? You can do that here. And now it's like basically selling me. So go here, book a consultation. It's free, right?
Yeah.
So this is like an appointment setter that goes out, finds out exactly what you want, tells you how to get it, and then tells you to book a call.
That's very
That
good.
will cost you, let's say, $10 an hour for someone in the Philippines, but then you're going to be like, why are you saying this? And this is not English. And remember, we said that.
Yeah.
And you just solve it all with one bot.
That's really perfect. It's really, really very good. Would it be possible, like, okay, she's selling something. She has a lot of products, but let's say you don't have so many, that the bot would also like suggest, give the opportunity, like, to buy this or this or this, and the people would just directly go to the payment?
Yep. So we have our client. This one, he's using Shopify. So that's their bot, right? And it goes like, most popular product. Do you have any book? Do you have any product for pets? Let's say, what's the most popular one? It just tells you specifically, you can send it here. So I can be like, show me what's good for energy, for lack of energy.
Oh, that's great. That's really great. But you have the integration with Shopify, right?
Yeah. So they'll just click on it. I wonder why this one is, I need to look in the back end. But you click on it and it goes straight to their bottle.
Yeah, okay. That's really great.
Yeah.
But like this is like cooperation with Shopify. It's probably not possible to do this on Etsy because they wouldn't
Not yet.
allow
We don't
it.
have a direct, we don't have direct integration with Etsy yet. We have it with Shopify. I wonder why. Let's see. Need to look into that. But yeah, so I can be like, do you have any deals? Do you have any stuff? Blah, blah.
Yeah, that's very good.
Yeah, I can ask it
Or
like,
the same on your own website where you have different courses. Again, you could also,
yeah, totally.
or
I'm
no,
like,
yeah.
what's this? For example, they have this E60 thing, right?
Or maybe even offer some special offer.
Yeah.
If people chat with it, like do something. Yeah. Okay, good.
And there you go. Now it's pulling all the sales. That are on sale on
That's
Shopify.
what I meant. Good.
Yeah, just shows you all the sales stuff. And you can click on it and go straight into buying it. This is such a
very
good product, by
helpful.
the way. It's like a really fantastic product.
Yeah, it is.
It's really good. I wish it wasn't that, but it's really like the energy that you get from it. Awesome. Yeah, and this is fantastic. Yeah.
You mean this exact product that we
This
are
product
looking
is
at?
really good.
Okay, not just your product. Okay.
No,
good.
the Vital C is really good product.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah. So if I did like, for example, where can I learn more about this? It will ask me the science behind it, how other people use it. Let's say I want the science. I wanted it's supposed to give me recommend the book. Here's the science in a gist, blended, blah, blah, deeper science. You can get the book, understand the thing, or how it works. Interesting.
Good.
Yeah,
that's very good. Suggestion for the reading on the topic. Very, very helpful. Very, very nice.
But these are all the
Good.
questions that his support would be getting all the freaking time, right? Like, what is it? What does it do? How do I take it?
Yeah.
Right? Like, how do I take this for sleep, for example?
Yeah.
And so on the back end, what happens, they can see all these questions and I can be like, okay, most people want it for sleep. Most people want it for energy. Most people, so let's create marketing material just about
for this.
Right.
Yeah.
And now you send it to the blog, and that's the blog is, you can have the blog from Noem creating it for you.
That's great. That's really great.
Yeah, so it's really depending, like your imagination, and the best way to figure out what works for you is just unleash it you know,
Mhm.
get it 50% there, put your website, your content, unleash it, let
Mhm.
people start with it. And based on the interaction, you can be like, oh, most people want this, most people want that.
Yeah. Yeah, you get insight. That's really
Yeah.
very helpful as well. Yeah.
Yeah.
Or
You can also
even
use
for pre-ordering something or like evaluating an idea even
exactly
for a product. Yeah. Very good.
Yeah.
Very, very good. Good.
We have 3 minutes. Any other questions I can help you?
I don't think so at this moment. Thank you very much. I learned a lot, and I'm looking forward to diving in.
Yeah,
I forgot.
Yeah.
I forgot.
Just email me. We're very
Yeah.
good with the support. Just send us an email and happy to help you.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you
Thanks,
very much.
Rita. Have a good
Have a
night.
good time.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.